So there's a string which will vibrate in certain loops. So there's a cylinder is having a density sigma, area of cross section A, length L, and there's a string. Let's assume that there are certain n loops are there. Who will make it vibrate? It's a tuning fork only. This for our understanding purpose, I'm showing it like this. The same tuning fork now, what one will excite this one. So I'll immerse this in a liquid. This cylinder I'll immerse in a liquid. Cylinder, yellow color. All these are available as a question. Again, if I give question, read, everything is taking time. That's why I'm just explaining everything like a theoretical idea. So it'll be, we can save time. So now this same setup is immersed in a liquid. I do have space. Yeah. Let me bring the vessel. I'll fully immerse this in a container. Now, what is the purpose? I want that density of that material. Is it density very easy to calculate or very difficult? Anybody answers? Density of a substance. Can you find out is very difficult quantity here? So this experiment will help us a lot. Say that's why the Western science is all about how you are going to utilize the things what you know. It's not just only studying. How I can use this in various applications. This was the basic idea of the science. What happened in India? It is we are just using only to what? To get a rank. That's all finish over. We are never bothered like a, where it is used, why it is used. This is the same tuning fork which will vibrate when you listen. And now let's the density of water, you know. Okay, let's get into the problem. So earlier the tension, how much it was acting, say like a T1. Am I right? This was mg. Now the tension acting in the string will be T2. Why tension should change? Because buoyant force will act. The tension have to change. When I immerse this cylinder, what will happen to the number of loops? Anybody wants to answer? Will it increase or decrease? You have in front of you this one. The same tuning fork which is exciting. How many loops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll immerse it. The same tuning fork is connected as it is and the string. So then the tension will decrease. If tension decreases, number of loops should increase. So how many are there here? Earlier 7. So let me increase the number. It will be 8. It should be just immersed. No. How many? So it will be 1, 2, 3 loops have become 7, 8. 8 are there, no? Please count it. This is the thing. The same tuning fork is unison with the wire. Unison they say, or in resonance. The word unison means the same tuning fork is unison again with the same wire. The string is having mu. The length of the string didn't change. L as it is. We didn't change the length of the string. Okay, what is the formula? F is equal to n. We'll agree these formulas looking at this diagram. F is equal to n to n by 2l T1 by mu. The same tuning fork is unison with the wire again. N plus 1 2l by tension is how much? T2 by mu. So therefore we'll equate here, no? N T1 is equal to n plus 1 root T2. So this will be T1 by T2 n plus 1 n whole square. Now what is T1? Mg. What is T2? Mg minus buoyant force. Okay, now let me go for mg. What is the buoyant force? What is m? We'll write here like sigma al g. So sigma alg will get cancelled. So sigma by rho minus. I wanted density of substance, no? So therefore this will become equal to sigma is needed, no? One minus it will be. Let me simplify it here. So sigma is equal to rho w by why sir you are using this method? We have instrument. You see that. Will I do error? Do I know density of water? We know exact value. We are in a better position in science now. Can I do any error in counting the number of loops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there won't be error in counting the number of loops, no? Instead of 8, will you say 7.8? No, 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 no way, no. So tell me like what is the density of material? It's exact, no? Without error, we'll get it. That's why this experiment is widely preferred. Got the idea? So now we have some electronic gadgets. It has become easier. But so if just go back to 50 years, no, these are the methods where we are using. It's not that easy to get the values, no. The density of substance is very very important in designing of most of the equipments. So how to predict exactly the density of material? This is the experiment, because the error in measuring number of loops, I think nobody will say that instead of 8 will you say 8.2 loop? Nothing, no. Either it should be 7 or it should be 8, that's all. Or it should be 9. What will be that? Here actually the tuning fork is connected with a stem. I'm not showing it because I can't draw again the total diagram. Just it's connected. For your understanding purpose, that tuning fork will make it the string to vibrate. Otherwise, who will vibrate? The same tuning fork should vibrate. No, that's why it brought tuning fork here. Okay, no. So we'll take the next condition. Anybody have doubts? You can. There's a one discussion separate like this. Find the density of cylinder. Okay, let's take the next one. I will